Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can catch this bioluminescence manta ray in Fish Roblox. So the bioluminescence manta ray is a mythic catch in the Crystal Depths update. And here I'm going to show you the exact location, the Crystal Depths location, the best road setups for this mythic hunting. So let's just get started. So this is how the bioluminescence manta ray look like. And as for the locations, you can just find your best spots actually in the Crystal Depths. But for me, I got it while I fish in this exact location where there are two other players fish. So I got it in here. And for the best road setup that you can use almond road, or even better if you have the diamond road. And for the bait, I'm using the singularity bait in here. If you have one, you can also use the luck totem or luck potion to have a better chance to get this mythic tire fish. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.